Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, Pixel and Frisket Finds. This is a new episode of Come to Work With Me. I still have so much to go through and found some time today to do this with you. So as usual, we're starting with a couple of boxes. So let's take a look in there. I have my silver bins off to the side over here and some more bags and boxes over there. So let's see what we can get through today. In this little peachy baby, there's a ring. Ooh, she flashy. Hey, it's adjustable, so it's just like super duper costume, but what a statement. So we have that. And then in this beautiful green box, I love that green. It's got some damage on it, but I love the green and gold combination. And in there is a pair of earrings. They're made from tiny little shells, little dyed green shells, probably purchased on some sort of a vacation, like souvenir style. They are a clip-on earring, and there's no nothing on there saying where they're from, but cute. And then we have an old Burke's box here. I like these ones, the cardboard ones. And ooh, some cufflinks. Are they from Burke's? I don't think so. They don't have any logo for Burke's, but they look like this. They're like a gold sort of knot design. Yeah, so there's no signature on them at all, but they're in nice condition, and I really like the box, of course. And then I've got this little dirty one, just a little white box that's kind of speckled with coffee or something. And there's a set in here, a brooch and earring set, and it's like that filigree kind of back, open filigree back on there, which I think is German. I think this is German, in my experience anyway. The cool little cluster of beads and stuff. I like the rhinestones on like stamen. And then the earrings are clip-on like this. And they have a matching design. See if there's any marking on the earrings, maybe. Nothing, no markings at all. But that's my guess, is German. And then the last box we have is a big box. It's from the Bay, and I love that old Bay stripe motif. Woohoo! We got some sparklies. Let's see then. So there's this pair of earrings, clip-on earrings. Wow, they are something. Look at those. Pretty fun. Pretty fun. Yeah, I like them. They're clip-on. No name on them, but wow. Wowie woo-wah. Here is a brooch and a half. Holy guacamole, that thing is... This is a big brooch, you guys. Look at it. Against the palm of my hand. All the stones are there, but we don't have any kind of mark on the back. But that's pretty cool. It's big. Really big. And another big brooch here. Look at that one. That feels a bit snowflakey, doesn't it? Oh, is it ever sparkly though? Extra sparkly. The construction is a bit different on this one. There's riveting and things are inset, but up close here, if you see, there's finish coming off in quite a few spots. So I don't know. As much as I think it's kind of cool and maybe kind of special, it's not in very good shape. Another big sparkly brooch. 3 of these big boys in this box. This one's nice too. Look at her. Wow. All three very large and in charge, hey? No marks on the back of this one either. But the construction's quite nice. I like what they've done in the middle here. That looks good. It's solid quality. That's quite the brooch too. Oh, look at them. All three of these. Wow. Okay. Same box, another brooch. Not quite as insane as the other two, but still quite significant. And on the back side here we have no marks either. But that one's pretty. And here's another one from the same box, blue rhinestones. No marks on the back. But that two-tone blue is nice. Same box, another brooch. This one's kind of bowish. It's a bit bow-like. And no mark on the back at all. None. There's another brooch in here with flowers, a flower design with rhinestones. That one's kind of cute, I guess. And on the back side, oh wait, it's not flowers. Look, it's a dragonfly and flowers, but obviously antenna, duh. Oh yeah, dragonfly, cute. There's a button. It's literally a button. See? And another little brooch here, golden clear rhinestones. There's a pair of clip-on earrings. Those are kind of flashy. No name on the back, but gold tone and clip-on. There's a ring. Turquoise, faux turquoise, probably dyed howlite. But I like the design. I like all that scrolly work happening there. That's nice. It's adjustable, so you know, she's just for funsies. And here's another pair of clip-ons. These are pretty funky. Look at those. Like crescent moon shaped bead cluster clip-ons. That's a bit different. Usually it's just a straight up cluster. I've got a couple of singles here. One clip-on like that, and another single clip-on. All right. Okay. Oh yeah, in the box still there is a strand. They're plastic, made to look like pearl, but they're very plastic. Okay, that's what we have in the boxes today. So let's depart from jewelry a little bit and dig into a silver bin. You know, unless I pull out some jewelry from the silver bin, that's a very big possibility. But without looking at what I'm doing, aha, a silver bead ball chain, 925 sterling. It's marked sterling on the whatever, and bead cap here, a decent length as well. I kind of like the larger ball chain. A small one reminds me too much of a bathtub, but the bigger ones are I don't know, more substantial, more of a, I don't know, maybe more trendy right now. Okay, next I have a brooch, and it is silver and marcasite. That's pretty cool. I like the swirly nature of that. On the back side, nothing marked on there at all, but that's pretty cool. And next out of the bin. Oh wait, I'll go to the big bin. Where are you? I have to look and see. There. Oh, it's the cutest little bud vase, actually. I thought it was a candlestick holder for a second, but look at the bottom of this. Oh, it's so pretty. And the top is fluted. And we have marks to look up, of course. I'll put the information on the screen because I don't know all that stuff by heart. But the passant lion, of course, means that it's 925 silver. And I can't really tell the assay office code or stamp, but I'll definitely look into it and we'll see, you know, more information about this guy. I think it's so sweet. Love a little bud vase. Okay, I'll go back into the silver bin and then I'll grab a bag of jewelry. Whoops! We have a bracelet, a coin bracelet. These are always fun, very boho, right? And I'm not sure what the coins are, but they have silver content. That's why they're in this bin. So that's fun. What do they say? Marino. Repubblica di S. Marino. I have no idea. Hopefully I found out something and could share it on there, at least about the silver content. Okay, jewelry bag. I got it right here in front of me. We're gonna dig in and see what we can find. Alright, first thing, some rings. There's this one, gold tone with a bunch of stones missing. Awesome. And then there's this one, silver tone with a blue stone in the middle. It's adjustable as well, super costume. Ooh, hoo, hoo, look at this one. Shabang. That looks like a big Montana sapphire, doesn't it? Oof. Ah, that's quite substantial, I would say. Anyway, it's not, but pretty. But it's pretty. Another ring as well. Pink rhinestones, like just a couple of pink rhinestones. That's a good one. Here's a brooch, rhinestone maple leaf. We're missing some of the stones. And a watch, an old lady's watch in a silver tone. Usually these are in gold. It is a Bulova, and it is 10K rolled gold bezel. So it's basically a plating. Rolled gold is like they squish together gold and base metals in layers and then roll them together into one, you know, solid piece. But so it's essentially like plating, but it tends to be a little thicker. Still not something that we can buy for melt value. Here's another brooch, sort of a feather design with pearls up the middle, like that. It says on here 12 karat gold fill. So there's that. And there's a couple of chains here. Two different chains. One is a rope style and one is, well, I don't know, that kind of square style. And there's a maker's mark, but it's not gold. Neither of them are gold, but they're nice. I like the rope one. That's a good basic chain to put a lot of different things on. And here's a little pin, gold tone with little pieces of jade. And that one does have a mark as well. Oh, I gotta open the clasp. I can't see it. It's hiding behind the clasp. Gold fill again. There we go. I think that's gonna be it for this episode. Thank you so much for joining me. If you haven't already, click subscribe so we can hang out again. And I'll try and upload another one real soon. Promise. Talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.